Hi guys, welcome back to Our Old Farmhouse. And yeah, we got a snack cart out here for a snack, and then we got cheese crunches, naturally Cheetos, and we got cheddar and sour cream chips. I'm just gonna show you the whole entire thing. We got barbecue flavored potato chips, and you got Go-Gurts and some extra peanut butter. And we got some drinks and our phones.
That's mine and that's his.
Yeah. So I was planning on doing gymnastics in this video, but I'm probably just gonna have Atlas do one because I'm holding the camera, and I can't really because Atlas, do you want to go do some gymnastics and practice for tomorrow?
Alright, pause your video, Kadri.
How?
Just hit the stop button.
This bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And Our Old Farmhouse is about farming. Our old farmhouse was a very old farmhouse that we got. Well, not me, but they've got, and it was honestly, it wasn't that good when they first got it. There was a greenhouse, whatever you call it, over there, but a tree branch kind of killed it, like smashed it, and but we still have our tube house that we are very thankful to have, and so we can plant stuff, and so Our Old Farmhouse is about planting and having fun with you guys and their family. So me and my sister are here to enjoy with you guys, to enjoy the videos with you guys, and to have a great time here. So I hope you guys have a great time and have a great time with us right now. And I'm not gonna be here for all the videos because I have my own home and I have my own videos to record on TikTok. I'm not saying YouTube is bad. I love YouTube, I love it, but I have my own account on TikTok that I have and I'm going to be using because I have my own content to create. Hi guys. I'm here with the old farm.
Hey guys.
Our old farmhouse, and I'm with Mr. Corey. Should I call you Corey on here or Mr. Corey? I'm gonna call him Corey. I'm here with Corey, and we're at Our Old Farmhouse, and I'm with my sister. Sorry, I kind of go like this.
Yeah, they don't want to see up your nose. Hopefully it's clean.
We have a fairy garden to explore. Would you like to explain of this fairy garden? Do you want to explain? Go this way.
Yeah.
So what is this?
Hi guys.
What is this?
A house. And there's a house, 2 houses, and a door, and a little flatter glow, and a little seesaw. Seesaw, seesaw. And a little shellax. Oh. And there's a little home right here. No, a mailbox, look. Oh, a mailbox. And a little taco tree.
Oh, can I have that back?
I don't see. And
Would this be a decoration?
Oh yeah. There's a little flower
decoration.
here to put this little home up. Wait, see her. Me. Saturday. Can I talk about something else too?
Okay. I like this. So, what's your fairies' names?
My family name one. Sarah and Rose City. Sarah, we think Sarah come. It's your houses.
What's your favorite fairy that comes to your house?
No fairies.
Oh, spider, guys. Don't harm spiders. They have feelings too, but you don't want to touch them because you don't know if they're poisonous. Hi, little guy. Do you mind getting off the swing? All right. Never harm the spider. They have feelings too. That might be a jumping spider. I'm scared of spiders.